guys, after posting my packing video, I decided to film just a little snippet showing you my typical outfit, what I wear at Disney World. It's a very short little video. I just thought some of you guys might be interested in kind of seeing a typical day. And that's basically all that I have to say about it. I'm just gonna insert that footage here, and then yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So I thought you guys might be interested in seeing what I wear on any given day at Disney World on vacation. So in the morning, depending on if it's a warm day or not, I will start out wearing a pair of Adidas mesh shorts. They're very loose and comfortable, with a tank top, and if it's a bit chilly, I will layer a sweatshirt over it. Now if it's cooler than 72 or so, I will probably wear capri jeans instead. But this is sort of my standard amusement park getup. This is a lightweight sweatshirt. It's easy to tie around my waist. If it's already like pretty warm, I won't wear one at all. That goes without saying. And then I have my little day bag, which I'm posting a separate video on. That goes around my waist. And my Asics walking shoes are my favorite walking shoe of the moment. They are gel pace walker and a comfy pair of lightweight socks. So that's my general go-to morning at the amusement park kind of outfit. Then in the afternoon, you know, we will go to lunch and then we'll go swimming or something, and I'll want to change into something for the rest of the day until I would get ready for dinner. So I will wear, you know, either jeans or these capri cutoffs I like a lot, and just a fun t-shirt. It's very casual, flip-flops, and if we're going shopping or something, I'll bring my bag, my bigger bag with me. If I want a whole purse, otherwise I will either just not bring a bag if Don's got, you know, whatever we need, or I'll bring this again. I do recommend, at least for me, it's important to wear sneakers when I know I'm going to be on my feet a long time. I have troublesome feet, and I just can't be in an amusement park walking around in flip-flops all day. Some people can, and all more power to them, but for me, shoes all the way. But in, you know, in a more relaxed afternoon approach is what we generally do at Disney World. I'll change into flip-flops. So those are sort of my daytime go-to outfits. The morning at the amusement park, and afternoon either playing mini golf or doing some shopping or just hanging around. If we do decide to spend the afternoon at the pool, of course I'll be wearing bathing suit and cover up and that sort of thing. Then on the other side of the bed, I just kind of laid this out for you, are my two typical dinner outfits for Disney World. So I have the slightly more fancy version, and none of this is what I would call fancy, it's just nicer. I like to get dressed up for dinner, even at Disney World, and even if it's just a little dressed up. And then the more casual look. So we tend to wear the more casual look on the evenings where we're either going to dinner at a very casual place, or I know we're going to be going to a parade or some fireworks or some sort of show after dinner that requires walking for longer than just like getting to the restaurant and back to the monorail or the car or whatever we end up doing. So that's why I packed my Dansko sandals. Yes, I know they're like not the most attractive, but they're cute enough and they're really comfy and they're easy to walk in for a long time. They're a very supportive shoe. So, and they, you know, they look nicer than just wearing a flip-flop, which isn't supportive and would be hard to walk in for a while. At least these have a strap and some arch support and stuff. So those I pair with my more casual dresses. I have this sort of long, lightweight white flyaway that I got at Banana Republic outlet in Utah last spring. And that's a very typical outfit, and I'll probably wear my evening bag crossbody if we're walking around a lot, that sort of thing. And it just works perfectly for Disney World and for a more casual look. Now for a nicer, more put together look, I'll wear one of my, you know, more nice dresses. I mean, this is just very casual. I normally wear this during the day in the spring or summer at home. This is a bit nicer. It just, the cut of it sits a bit nicer on my body. It's more fitted. It's more nice looking. And I have a more fitted, kind of shorter, nicer flyaway type of cardigan that I got at the Gap outlet. And then my nicer shoes, and these are sort of, I mean, they're nice. They look nice when they're on, they do. But they're definitely more casual than a shoe that I would wear out to dinner at a nice restaurant here in Chicago. But in Disney World or on a beach vacation or something, I think wedges and espadrilles, I can't say that word, are totally acceptable. They're comfortable, and the gold means that they go with basically all of my outfits that I brought for dining, where I'm going to be wearing those shoes. And they match my purse too, which is the most important part. So I might, double up the strap on the purse and wear as a shoulder bag for the more nice evening out. And that's basically a typical day. I thought that'd be kind of interesting for you guys to see, and I hope you enjoyed it. Well, that's it. That's my typical day wear in Disney. This is something that I have figured out over the years of going that suits me best. Really, you have to find what works best for you, but sometimes it's nice to see what other people wear to give you ideas and be like, oh, well, I understand what she means about wearing like jean shorts or whatever kind of shorts where they get uncomfortable after you've been wearing them all day, and maybe I would want to wear mesh shorts or something like that. It's just fun to share our experiences and our ideas with each other. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will hopefully be able to post this while I'm in Disney World. Otherwise, I'll post it when I get back, as well as some other little videos pertaining to this packing series, and I'll see you soon. Okay, take care, you guys. Bye.